Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. In this lecture, you will learn about getting started with Python. Setting up your programming environment. Python differs slightly on different operating systems, so you will need to keep a few considerations in mind. Here, we will look at the two major versions of Python currently in use and outline the steps to set up Python on your system, Python 2 and Python 3. Today, two versions of Python are available, Python 2 and the newer Python 3. Every programming language evolves as new ideas and technologies emerge, and the developers of Python have continually made the language more versatile and powerful. Most changes are incremental and hardly noticeable, but in some cases, code written for Python 2 may not run properly on systems with Python 3 installed. If both versions are installed on your system, or if you need to install Python, use Python 3. If Python 2 is the only version on your system and you had rather jump into writing code instead of installing Python, you can start with Python 2. But the sooner you upgrade to using Python 3, the better. So, you will be working with the most recent version. Running snippets of Python code. Python comes with an interpreter that runs in a terminal window, allowing you to try bits of Python without having to save and run an entire program. Snippets that look like this. The text in bold is what you will type in and then execute by pressing enter. Hello world. A long-held belief in the programming world has been that printing a hello world message to the screen as your first program in a new language will bring you luck. In Python, you can write the hello world program in one line, like this. Such a simple program serves a very real purpose. If it runs correctly on your system, and a Python program you write should work as well. We will look at writing this program on your particular system in just a moment. Python on different operating systems. Python is a cross-platform programming language, which means it runs on all the major operating systems. Any Python program you write should run on any modern computer that has a Python installed. However, the methods for setting up Python on different operating systems vary slightly. You will first check whether Python is installed on your system and install it. If it is not, then you will install a simple text editor and have an empty Python file called hello_world.py. Finally, you will run the hello world program and troubleshoot anything that didn't work. Python on Linux. Linux systems are designed for programming, so Python is already installed on most Linux computers. Python on OS X. Python is already installed on most OS X systems. Python on Windows. Windows doesn't always come with Python, so you will probably need to download and install it, and then download and install a text editor. That is all for this lecture. Thanks for watching.